every time in the street of Lagos to show you the very best property in the Lagos city. Ibrahim Odu is my name. So today we'll be inspecting this fully serviced 4-bedroom semi-detached duplex in Orchid. In the compound, we have 6 units in this whole compound. It's a fully serviced mini estate where you have 24-hour power supply, crystal clean water. All right, so let's take a walk around the compound to see how it looks like. So this is a semi-detached building. It's a 4-bedroom. So this is 1 unit, and we have other units by this side. So the whole of this place is driveway. Okay, so by this side, for this unit now, this is the car park. This is the car park for this unit on my left hand side, and it can accommodate 3 cars conveniently. Okay, so let's check the other units. So the whole of this place is driveway. So this is another unit. Okay, you can park here 1 car, and this is the standard car park for the other units. So this place can accommodate 3 cars conveniently as well. You can park 4 cars. You can park 1 here, and this is the entrance. Okay, so that is 2 units. We have 2 units over there, another 2 units here, and down there we have another 2 units, making 6 units in a compound. All right, so friend, club, in 6 number, you can take the whole unit and service it yourself. Okay, let's go. So this is another 2 units. This is the car park. This is another unit. This is the car park, and that's another unit. Actually, this is fully detached. This one too is also fully detached. So let's take a look at the semi-detached. Let's check the first unit. And we have this solar lights to light up the compound. We have 1 here facing here. We have other 1 here facing that side, and we have another 1 down there. Okay, so you don't have to buy water in this mini estate. You don't have to buy water. We have crystal clean water for you, and we have sample gen that power all the whole 6 units. So you can boast of 24 hours power supply. All right, so let's go in. Let's see how this property looks like. So this is the door. You can see the quality door, and this is the living room. You can see how big it is. All right, we have this chandelier. We have POP spotlights. We have rope lights, POP rope lights. We have inbuilt sound system. Okay, and this is where the guest toilet is. This is the guest toilet, and this is the dining area. So this place can accommodate 6-seater dining set. Okay, so on the ground floor we have 1 room that happens to be the guest room. So this is the guest room. Our guest room here, the wardrobe, the toilet and bedroom. The toilet and bedroom come with water heater. It comes with standing cubicle shower. It comes with wash and basin and WC. Let's take a look at the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. For the fact that this property is going for just 90 million naira, you have everything you need. You have a space for you where you can put your washing machine, We have 5-phase burner. It's come with 5-phase burner. It's come with heat extractor, working perfectly. Look at this islander and the marble on the cabinet. You can see it's lovely. For the fact that it's black, I love it. It comes with microwave and oven. We have inverter as well with 2 batteries. You can buy more battery for it to last longer. Though you boast of 24 hours power supply, yet you still have your inverter as backup in case maybe they want to service generator, they want to do some other thing. So this is just a plus for you. And this is the exit of the kitchen to the backyard. Okay, let's go up to check the 3 other rooms upstairs. So here we have the family lounge. We have this chandelier. As well, we are putting another chandelier here to light up the stairway. All right. And this switch, the switches are all smart switches, as you can see. So let's take a look at the master bedroom. And see how big the master bedroom is. This master bedroom is big. And we have your walk-in closet over there. Walk-in closet here, and we have bedroom here. We have jacuzzi. Can see still have enough space here too. We have the wash and basin. We have the standing cubicle shower, and we have the WC well installed there. Okay, this is the balcony. We still have all the 6 units still available for sales. The 4-bedroom is going for 90 million naira. The 4-bedroom semi-detached is going for 90 million naira. While that of the fully detached is going for 105 million naira. So if you like to inspect this property anytime, any day, just call the number on the screen and I'll be the one to pick your call. I remain your #1 trusted real estate consultant in Lagos City. Ibrahim Odu is my name. See you in the next video. Till then, cheers.